to my channel. So today we are going to have a very interesting video because today is a DIY. What? Yes, it is a science experiment basically. So this is my first science experiment or DIY in my YouTube channel. So let's get started with the activity, but I will tell you what is the activity. The activity we are going to do, the experiment we are going to do today is the portable water purifier. So I will show you how it will be, and wait 1 second, I'll show you right now. I have the model. So this is how it's going to be. Can you see that? Okay, so I'll tell you how it works in the video. So before going to the video, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so whenever I post a video, it will come and reach to you. And don't forget to like and share. So let's go into the funny video and the experiment. So now these all are the materials we need. So I'll explain you. And this one is a sand. This one is a sand. Can you see that? Yes. And this one is a charcoal. So I've just taken some pieces to explain, just to show you. But you should not use this much. You need some bigger one. So you need to, and one more thing is that you should not use it just like that, because this one you need to not make it as a powder. We need to break it into small pieces, not completely powder. So here is a pin. From this you can take one. I mean, you should only use one for this activity. And this is the pebbles. Use more, not this much. This is just an sample. And stones, don't use this much. This is just an sample. And at last, a bottle. 1 second. Yeah, so this is a bottle you need to use. It can be any size. So these materials depends on your bottle size. If your bottle size is bigger, you need to add the things according to the bottle size. So this is how these are all the materials we are going to use for this activity. So let's start. First, let's add a layer of cotton. Let me add. My bottle is done. Now I have made the hole here, and now we'll add charcoal into this bottle. Some of them. Let's put it a little slowly. We'll fill this layer completely with charcoal. Like that, we'll fill till here the charcoal. Let me add. Now I have finished the layer of charcoal, and let's go to the next layer. The next layer is the sand. So let's add it into the bottle, and let's see. Now I'm going to add the sand. I'll just show you. So this is the sand I have got. Let me add this inside. This one. Let's go. This is sand. I'll show you how I add. So this sand is so smoothy. I love this. Okay, let's go to the layer. By the way, I am using this thing. Can you see this? This green color thing. It's the funnel which will help the sand to go inside easily without falling out. So let me show you how to even do that. So you should take this sand, and if if you put it like this inside, can you see? It goes inside. Yeah. So let's keep on doing that. So it'll be very helpful for us. This funnel is very helpful. So let's do that. Come on. So I'm filling this just like this. It's so neat. Let's do the same method to fill this layer. Right now we have finished the sand layer, and then I have added this also, pebbles. So this much pebbles, I have only this much pebbles to have added. This is the experiment basically. I'm going to add the water in here, and here I have done some holes. I have put some holes right. Right now we are having some rocks, so we are also going to add that inside the bottle. So I have taken this stones from near my home, so you can get it from anywhere, I mean in your road, so it's very easy to get. You don't need to buy or something. Let's go. Now I have filled some stones. I will try filling these because these are larger size. I'll try filling them. Let's try. I don't think so it'll go inside, because two of them big size, it went inside, and I don't know what is happening. Okay, fine. Let's ignore this. Let me try this too. Maybe this goes because it's small in size. No, it doesn't go. So I'll take it out. So these all are the stones. I fill all the stones inside. So I think you can see it. Yes. Let's go to the next one. Guys, now the arrangements are ready. So you can see the bottle now, how it looks. Is it nice? Okay. So now I will explain you again which one you have to add clearly. So first we have to, and wait. Before adding these, the first thing you need to do is take a pin and put holes right down here. I have made small minute holes, so I think you couldn't see it. And next, after that, you need to add this one. So cotton. You need to add cottons in the first layer, and then in the second layer, wait, it's all covered, yeah, okay, fine. In the second layer you have to add the charcoal. So actually we need to use the activated charcoal, but I don't have activated charcoal, so I just use normal charcoal. I will tell you how activated charcoal works and everything in the last. So I'll explain everything in the last. So after that we need to add mud. I have taken some mud and added it right here. Actually I got this in a beach. I went somewhere and I got it. So, and next we need to add pebbles right here. Can you see that? Yeah. So this is the pebbles, and next comes the stones. You can get it in your roadside. No need to buy it because you can get it in your roadside. And this is a simple arrangement you need to do. A hole here and these all arrangements. So this is how you need to arrange your bottle, and then pour dirty water inside it. Let's do it. So our arrangements are done. So these are all of the materials we used, and this is the dirty water. We are going to add inside this and see the observation, what is happening. We're going to see it. Let's go and enjoy. Yes guys, so if you see here, wow, the water is so neat. Can you see that? Yes. So actually what I did was I added dirty water inside the bottle, and it came out very clear water. I just added some water in the starting, and while going, I kept on adding some more water, and it came like this. So this is the quantity of the water. From that it came, and it's so clear. You see, I bet this experiment is gonna work. You guys can try this at home. Now let's have some talks. Come on. What I did was just added a dirty water inside the bottle, and the response was really amazing. The water was very clear. It just came out like that. But one thing, for safety reasons, you should never drink that water. It can be neat, but you should not drink that water because it's just for safety reasons. Thing you need to do is you need to boil that water and then you can drink. I used this for an experiment, so this is basically an experiment. I didn't think this project would work because the charcoal I used was not related to this project, and the charcoal which we need to actually use is activated charcoal, because how the activated charcoal works is very different. So I'll tell you how it works now. What the activated charcoal does is it collects, when we are adding water inside it, it collects all the dirty particles inside it and lives out the clean water. Even these pebbles also have a very good work in this experiment. They also help to take out dirt and all other things. I didn't expect the activity would be like this. I didn't expect this, so I'm so happy because the experiment worked, and so now our activity is done, and this is how you also need to do. So now I'll show you pictorial representation on it. So let us go to my laptop and let's see what they have given. I will explain you in that line by line. The pictorial representation completely. They have given each layer and they have said which one we need to use, or if we don't have this material we can use that or this. So actually we can use instead of pebbles we can use the pieces of bricks. That is also a great idea. But other than this bricks and all, we can also use this pebbles and everything. So I had pebbles in my home, so I ignored the bricks and all, and everything I have in my home I use just that. So now let's go straight into my laptop and I'll show you it again, the pictorial representation. So here comes the diagram. So now we can do this activity in two ways. One is you can cut the bottle half and keep it upon another cut bottle, and 1 second I'll show you. Yeah, so like this you can make here the opening funnel is there, right? So there you can make a hole, and from there you can take the clean water out. But now what I did was I didn't cut anything, but I made a hole backside. It will be down bottom. I made a hole in the bottom, small holes, and I worked out. So if you are doing like cutting it half, I'll show this is the method. You can even do it in this way. So first what you have to do in any bottle, first you have to add the cotton. Whatever type you take, first you have to add the cotton. So that is the main part. Cotton is the main part. And next we need to add the activated charcoal, or you can also if you don't have activated charcoal, you can only add this charcoal. I used only charcoal. So next layer you have to add the sand as we did, and the next pebbles, completely pebbles, and the next comes rock or stone. So you can add rock or stone and then it is ready. So then what you have to do is you have to add water inside this, and after some time the clean water comes out. So this is the main thing how it works. I will show you another diagram right now. So here comes the other diagram. So this one, rocks, pebbles and sand. Pebbles, some of the sand, the mixture of sand, it comes in this pebbles, so you can add that also. And then here comes fine sand. So this is a fine sand, and next charcoal. So charcoal and then cotton. So first cotton you have to add, that is the main thing. Next is charcoal, next is fine sand, next is pebbles, and next is rocks or stones. So you can take a 2-liter bottle, or it's your wish. It's not like 2-liter bottle or something. You can take your wish, but as per your bottle you need to take all the experimental ingredients and add it under the experiment and go through it. So this is the main thing we did today, and I will again show you what we have done right now. Yeah, so I have kept it in a container like this so the water while leaking it doesn't come out. I will again show you. You can even keep it closed. When you want to pour water, you can open and do everything. So first, can you see I have added cotton and then charcoal. I mean, actually it's not in the same place. It's like it's in the second layer, but the sand has come and it has done everything. It fell down just like that. It just slipped off and came here and it covered all the places, but the charcoal, cotton, everything is there. And next comes the pebbles and next comes the rocks, and then you pour the water and the magic happens. So this is what we have done today, I mean in this video. So it's just an experiment I did. You can use it for real purpose. You can use this in camping. You can, mainly people who are going to camping can use this. So this is a very great plan. But one more, and again I tell, this is an experiment and this is not safe. I mean, after you get the clear water, you should not drink it. You need to boil it and then drink this water. So I repeat it. So it is not safe. Boil it and drink. So this is what I wanted to tell you, and this is our experiment. Hope you guys learned something new in this. And this is the portable water purifier. And by the way, the name portable itself tells that you can carry this anywhere. So you can carry this anywhere, to jungle, anywhere. So trekking also, anything is fine. Anything, you can take it anywhere. Okay, so let us go to the next part of the video. I mean, to the end. Basically to the end. Yes, of course. Hello guys, how was the activity? Hope you enjoyed this video. So I didn't expect the experiment would come. Very nice, and thanks a lot, because we are right now I think in 1.41k subscribers, but I wanted it still more. Our channel first needs to get monetized, so I wanted my channel to get monetized. For that, it's in your hand. Please support me in my future videos and let's get monetized. So how was today's video? Hope it was nice. So this video is just to give you information, and this is an experiment which is very fun to do at home. You can try it at home with only these ingredients I showed. So you can easily do this experiment even in your science lab, anything. Okay, so fine, let me right now end this video. So that's all for now. Let's meet in my next video. Until then, cheers and bye. Zooming out.